So here it is, my Outlook, guys. This is my Outlook. So what is the purpose of this Outlook? I'm checking my emails. I'm checking my emails. Okay. And also I can see the calendars. When will be the meeting? Next meeting is on Tuesday. Okay. So Wednesday meeting is cancelled. Tuesday meeting is there. Okay. I can see the people. The contacts list is there. Okay. And messaging, to do task kind of stuff. Okay. That's a groups. This is to do. So if any task is assigned to me, or maybe I created a task list, so I have to complete this and like that, I can do it. Okay, and also integrate with the other applications. So this is what Outlook it is. Okay, but another point of Outlook, these Outlook mails, the data is stored inside my laptop only. Okay, we'll come from the starting. What is an Outlook? Outlook is a mail client application. Outlook is a mail client application. So then we have a browser also like this. You can access mails from the browser. You can access mails from the browser also, right? And you can also access the mails from the Outlook. So what is the difference? If you access mails from the browser, so what are the mails in the server, you will access it. You can send the mail, you can read the mail, okay? We can compose the mail only when internet is available. Only when internet is available, you can do anything in the browser. Okay, you can log into the mail account, you can access your old mails, you can send new mails, you can receive new mails, right? You can compose the mails only when internet is available. And mails are always stored in the server only, your mail server only. Okay, but here it is different. What is the different? Outlook is a mail client application. You can access, send, receive, and compose the mails using Outlook application. Same thing you are doing, but little small twist is there here. Outlook is an application. Outlook is an application. It's not a web browser. It is an application which is a part of your Microsoft Office suite. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Generally, you are getting as a one single application. So you can send or download mails. Okay, you received mails. Sorry, you can send a mail and receive a new mails through internet. If internet is there, I can send a mail. I can receive a mail. If internet is available, I can send mail. I can receive a mail. Okay, but already downloaded mails, already received mails in the Outlook, you can access anytime with or without internet. For example, if you see in this my Outlook, what are the mails are there? Even I do not have internet, I can access that mails. How it is possible? Because those mails are stored in my local computer. Because of those mails are stored in my local computer. Okay. Just like Outlook, there is other mail client applications are there. Eudora, Netscape Mail, Thunderbird, iPhone, you know already. Gmail app is there, no? In your mobile, Android mobiles, you will see Gmail app. That is also a kind of Outlook mail application. So Outlook kind of mail client application. Okay. What is an Outlook? Mail client application it is. You can access the mails, like you can send a mail, receive a mail, you can compose the mail using Outlook application. You can have a contacts, saved contacts, You can put it in an Outlook. You can create meetings, calendars, to do. Also, you can do with the Outlook. Calendar, to do tasks, contacts, you can maintain in the Outlook. The mails you receive to the Outlook application, the mails will store inside your local PC. So you can able to access already received mails or downloaded mails. You can access anytime without internet. But you want to send a mail, but you want to send a new mail or you want to receive a new mail, you require internet. Without internet, you cannot send or receive new mails. You can compose the mails. You can read already downloaded mails without internet, but with internet only you can able to send and receive a new mails. Guys, understand this point up to here? What is Outlook?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. I said mail client. Then there is a mail server, right? You have a client means there is a server. So what is this server and all? So as I said about the servers, yeah, you have a server. Okay. In the server, you install a mail related applications. This is a mail server. Okay. If you can install, like if it is a Microsoft Windows server, install a Exchange mail, Exchange application, then it is become mail server. You have a Linux server and you install a Zimbra application, then it is a become mail server. You have a Linux machine and you install SquirrelMail, then it is become a mail server. Dovecot installed, it is mail server. Okay. So the mail server, again, it is a server. So if you install mail server application inside and configure it as a mail server. So it is a mail server right now. Different mail server applications also there. Microsoft Exchange, Zimbra, SquirrelMail, Dovecot, Postfix. Not only this, there are so many are there, including IBM, Domino mail server, and Lotus Note is also there. This Domino mail server and Lotus Notes of IBM, now it is comes under HCL. HCL took this Domino mail server and Lotus Notes from IBM. Okay. Then the mail server name is Domino. That client name is changed to HCL Notes. Instead of Lotus Notes, it is HCL Notes. That is belongs to HCL Technologies. Okay. Yeah. So we are going to mail server, whatever it is, what application you install, what configuration you have done. But mail server means there is a 2 points are there. One is mail server maintain mailboxes. Mail server maintain mailboxes. I have a user, one is there, and this is user one's mailbox. Okay, so I will put it here, and this is user two. For example, I have another user, user two mailbox. Okay, for example, you have a Gmail account. You have a Gmail account. Inside a Gmail mail server, inside Gmail mail server, okay, there is a mailbox for you. Okay, you have a Gmails. The mails, where is these mails are stored in the server? In the mailbox only. Mail stores in the mail server means it is stores in the mailbox. This is the one of the duty of mail server. Second one is client access. Second one is client access. What is a client access? Okay. What is a client access? When client means the user want to send a mail or retrieve a mail, so it will check the user's authentication, means this user is name and password it is verifies, and what is the mailbox is belongs to, what is the user request is a sending mail, then it will send the mail, it will take the mail from the user and send to the respective destination. Okay, it want to retrieve the mail, it means which is the mailbox belongs to the user, that mails are given to the user, so user can able to view the mails. So this is the mail server and this is a client. Either you can use a web browser or an Outlook, whatsoever it is. It's a client. Client means from where you are accessing. Okay. So this is user one, client. Either you use a web browser or maybe an Outlook, whatsoever it is. This user one want to send to the mail to the user two. User one want to send a mail to user two. Okay. He compose a mail. Okay. He compose a mail and want to send to the user two. User one sending mail to user two. So what happened? The mail is reaches up to mail server. And mail server, how it will understand user one want to send a mail. Because how it will understand, guys, any server client communication, any network related communication based on what type of communication it is. Simple mail transmission protocol or transfer protocol, SMTP. The protocol it is SMTP protocol. User one send mail to the user two. The request go to the mail server with the protocol SMTP protocol. So what is this MTA? Mail transfer agent at mail server understand what is the user request. User want to send a mail. Okay, what is the destination? In the same domain, same destination. Means for example, I'm sending to Gmail only. My Gmail account to my Gmail account only. So you don't require to send it to somewhere, right? So simple, in the Gmail only. So in the mail server, what it will do? It will drop the mail to the mailbox. It drop the mail to the mailbox. So this is a user one. Mail is came to the user to mailbox. Okay. So mail server checks what is the request. SMTP means user want to send a mail. So user one want to send a mail to the user two. What is the destination? User two. Then it will send to the user two and user two mailbox. Now where is the mail? In user two mailbox. Understand, guys, this story up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, your friend send a mail. What you have to do? You have to check the mail. This is user two. User want to user two want to check its mail. What are the mail it is received? That is there in the mail server. Now user two want to check the mail. So what it will do? It send a request to the server. It send a request to the server based on the mail server and the client. It can be a POP3 or it can be IMAP version 4. It can be POP3 or IMAP version 4. Okay. So what is this POP3 or IMAP version 4? The user to send a request to the mail server. I want to see my mails. This is for retrieval or a downloading or maybe receiving the mails. Generally, receiving means from server to client you are will receive, or server to client or client to server. There is a receiving means sending, but you are not sending anything to the user to mail server. You are just giving a request. You are sending a request only. What is the request? please give me my mail. Like, for example, I open this, my mail. For example, I close it. Again, I will open it. Okay, Gmail. When I click it, so it will send request to the Gmail. Then it will display the inbox of my mail account. Okay. So what happened? The mail, the request go to the mail server, POP3 and IMAP, and the server understand what is the user to request. It want to see the its mail. Then it will understand the request and give the mailbox content to the user to give the mailbox content like a inbox, sent mails, drafts, whatsoever there in the mailbox, it will display on the mail to. So mail to see user one send a mail. Okay, mail user two understand user one send a new mail and verify it. And if you want to reply again SMTP. Okay, so this is the first one, SMTP, is for sending a mail. POP3 and IMAP is a protocol used to retrieve a mail or get a access of its own mails. Okay, receiving retrieving mail purpose request it is. Let's understand the story. POP3, IMAP, SMTP.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here it is the protocols and their port numbers and encrypted port numbers also given here. SMTP, the default port number is 25. The POP3, the default port number is 110. IMAP version 4, the default port number is 143. Okay. So what is this 993, 995, 465, 4587? Over encryption kind, or SSL or TLS, the port numbers are changed. Just like I explained about HTTP and HTTPD. Sorry, HTTPS. HTTP and HTTPS. What is the difference? HTTP port number is 80 and no encryption. So data sent from source to destination without encrypting the data. So anybody can able to read the data in the network. Possibility is there. HTTPS. It's a HTTP data only, but over SSL or TLS encryptions. Okay. So what it is, what are the HTTP data is encrypted. So the data is encrypted, it is secure. So that's why it is HTTPS means automatically it is secure. Your banking websites, mail accounts, social media sites, all these things, HTTPS. Why? Because of it is encryption is required. The same way when you are sending a mail and receiving a mail, if you are using a normal HTTP type means data can be compromised. So what it is in organizations they use encryption. For SSL or TLS, you are passing the data, the port numbers automatically changes. Okay. SMTP 25 and encryption type TLS or SSL, it is 485 or 587. SSL and TLS model encryption. POP3 is 995 and IMAP is 993. Okay. Guys, understand protocols and their port numbers. And do you understand SMTP or not? SMTP.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
There is a two protocols out there. Both are for retrieving mails. Both are incoming mail server. You have an Outlook, and you have, if you want to configure your Outlook, then you should know what is your outgoing mail server and incoming mail server, what protocol it has to use. If it is or SSL or TLS, what protocol number you should change it. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say. And POP3 and IMAP both are for incoming mail servers. Okay, so then what is the difference? Guys, for me, my organization given, yeah, it's a new version, so I cannot able to see properly. Okay, nothing more. There is a settings. See, around 49.5 GB is given. Out of that one, 1.19 GB is already, yes. Okay. So point is, I have 50 GB around. Then I use IMAP. I don't require POP3. So also depends upon your organization, depends upon your server support also there. Okay. I got 50 GB. What will happen? So I'll take one example from here. Okay. I access these mails. You can use your web browser, right? Okay. I can access through the web browser. I can access through Outlook. Okay. You can use the mobile apps also, right? Like a Gmail app or a iPhone apps, mobile apps also there to access it. So you can access your mails to the web browser, Outlook, and mobile application. You can access it. Okay. Point is that one. So what is Outlook? You understand already what is Outlook. It is also a mail client to access the mails, but mails are stored in the local. మెయిల్స్ ఎక్కలేదండి పర్వాలేదు అదన్నా చాలు okay this is what I'm trying to say. I will give an example then సరే తర్వాత మీరు తినండి. Yeah, where are we? So we can access with a different kind of applications to access your mails. You can use web browser, Outlook, or any mobile application also. You can use it, right? Here I'm going to tell a story, then we'll get back to this 50 GB kind of stuff. Okay, the story is about a POP3 story. Okay, here is, when I was working in my older organization, so that time I got my mailbox size is 50 MB, not 50 GB, 50 MB. Okay, so later organization have some changes. Then they next time I got a different mailbox size is 100 MB. Okay, so think like this: your mailbox size in the organization is very less, like a 100 MB, 50 MB, 200 MB kind of stuff. In that cases, or in generally, you have a limited space. So you have to send a mail, receive a mail. Okay. Whenever the mailbox is full, you can't send or receive the mails. Okay. If my mailbox is full, you cannot send a mail, you cannot receive a mail. Both you cannot do it. Because when you send a mail, it go to the sent mail. Then sent mail is also there inside your mailbox only. Okay. So if mailbox is full, it cannot do it. When starting in that organization, I do not have much mail related communication. So I use a browser support only. I don't configure any Outlook that time because I do not have any laptop with me or a specific desktop for me is not there. Just I go there and you start classes. Okay. Very less use of Outlook. Okay, sorry, the mail communication is also very less, only for attendance sheets, print purpose only. Other than that one, or any some company related mails communication, 1 or 2 communication, month. Okay, after 1 or 2 months, again I will delete the old mails because my 50 MB is full. Then I will delete all my old mails, or I will remove this what we can say sent mails. Okay, in the mails also there now when you delete it also it is there in the trash or delete, so you have to remove the from the trash also. Okay, only important mails I will keep it. Okay, so that is adjusted almost like a 6 months happily I run. Later on days luckily my mailbox is become 100 MB. Sorry, sir. Okay. One second guys, just wait 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so later what happened, my mailbox become 100 MB, but my works are also started. So I have to do some scanning the document, like exams I have to conduct for students. So I have to approve from head office. So then I have to conduct a, internal exams, scan the documents and send. Okay, and I have to wait for their approval. Then once exam is completed, again I have to take the result and scan it and send it. Once I send, they will give the certificate. Again, I have to download the certificate and print out and give to the student. Okay, so it's a long process, and 100 MB within a 2-3 days it is completed. Even how much I'm carefully making it. Okay, so if your mailbox is full, you cannot send or receive a mail. And your mailbox is smaller, so it is difficult to maintain. You have a Gmail account, the Gmail is giving 15 GB. It is a good. And we are getting mails are occasionally also. And most of the mails are nonsense mails only. Okay. So what you have to do if your mailbox size is smaller. So configure POP3. Configure POP3. So the mails you should configure for retrieving the mail is POP3. Okay, that is also depends upon your mail server, not belongs to you. Okay. What is this POP3? POP3 is cut paste. Cut paste. It means once your mail is downloaded into your local machine, once mail is downloaded into your local machine, it will be removed from the server. So how many copies of your mails are there? Only one. Either it is in the server or in your local machine only. Okay. Either it is in the server or it is in the local. It's a fresh mail. New mail came to your mailbox. The new mail is came to your mailbox. And it is there in the your server only. Now it is there in the server. And you send a request. You send a request. I want to get my new mails. The request go to the mail server. Okay. Go to the server and it will, the new mail is, okay, the new mail is downloaded into your local machine via Outlook application or mobile applications like a Gmail apps, like it, not browser, Gmail app kind of. So with web browser, we don't do POP3. Okay, it is nonsense. Okay, once it is downloaded into your local PC, it will be removed. Of course, that is also based on the settings in the server and the client side. But in general, it's, I'm telling more general thing. So once new mail is came, that is will be in the server mailbox. Okay. So whenever you retrieve the mail, whenever you retrieve the mail to your Outlook, whenever you retrieve a mail to your Outlook, okay, or any mail client applications like a Gmail app or a iPhone app like that. So what will happen? The mail will be loaded into your local machine and the mail will be removed from the server. It's like a cut paste. Cut paste means actually after pasting, it will remove from the server. Guys, understand where we use the POP3?
Yes, sir.
It is single client type. Okay, single client. CLI. Single client means only one client it has, only one client, not multiple clients. Why? Because of it is, if I am using both Outlook and as well as a web browser. For example, it is happened same organization only. So these counselors use Outlook to get a new mails. So they received a mail, they check the mails, they do communication completed. Okay. So the what happened? The counselor she left from the organization, not completely left, but her system is given to someone. She has to access from the mail server with the browser. But all her old mails are not there in the browser. It is there in the system only. She's getting complete plain empty mailbox because all mails are loaded into the local machine. It is if it is there in the server, so you can access from any application. It is not there in the server, it is there in the Outlook. Only you can access from this particular device only. Okay, so particular this device only. Okay, so that's the point of Outlook. And there is a one additional point I'm telling. Where is your Outlook mails? So where is your mails are there? In the local PC. Mails are in the local PC. In a tier. Mails are there in the local PC. Okay. Local PC. Okay. Now, point is, in case your PC is down, your OS is corrupted, your hard disk is failed. Okay. You downloaded the mails and it's stored in the local PC means it stores in your hard disk only. Okay. Mainly in the C drive. If your OS is corrupted, you can't access the C drive mail. Your hard disk is failure, no, nothing you can able to access. Problem? And you want to get a mails from somewhere else, where in the server, it is not there in the server. So compulsory, these type of things, you require a backup. Required backup. Compulsory take a backup and store in some external devices. Store it in some external device. Okay. Buy a one external hard disk. Store your mails regularly, either daily or weekly, depends upon the flow of mails in the organization. Better to store in the separate drive, maybe in additional hard disk or extra hard disk, or maybe in the cloud or network, you can store it. Okay. If it is a personal, then you can use external desktop kind of. Gmail, all are in the server only. No problem for a Gmail. Generally, we use IMAP. Okay. This is top three. What about a IMAP? What about IMAP? What about a IMAP? IMAP is a copy paste. IMAP is like a copy paste kind of stuff. So I use this IMAP example here. It means the mails are available in the mailbox, in the local PC, and also you can access from the web browser, Outlook, other applications also. The mails are available in the server. Mainly mails are in the server. It's a copy paste kind of stuff. Mail will be here as well as a mail will be here. IMAP is, so you can access the same mail from different client applications. You can use Outlook here. We can use web browser. Okay. You can use some other mobile applications, just like a Gmail application and that. It means the same mail you can access from any device, anytime, anywhere you can able to access. Okay. You can access because always mails are in the server only. Where we generally prefer IMAP is bigger mailboxes. Gmail use 15 GB. I am getting 50 GB. Some may get 1000 GB like that. Okay. The mailbox size is bigger. So usually organizations prefer to use IMAP type only. Why IMAP? It is the mails are can be accessed from any client application. You can access through Outlook and store your mails inside your local PC. You can use the mobile applications. You can store your mails into your mobile device. You can access to the web browser. So you can connect from anywhere, anytime. Just simply open the web browser, connect it to your mail server, and you can access your mails. Okay. So there we use IMAP. IMAP. So this type we call it as multi-client. What is multi-client? Multiple clients applications you can use it. Multiple client applications used to access the mails. Okay. So which is a benefit one? See, it depends upon organization, guys. Your organization has mailboxes. Go for a lesser the cost because storage is costly. So they will reduce the mailbox size per user. So obviously you must use the Outlook. But Outlook, if you use and use the POP3 protocol, and the mails are stored in your local PC, compulsory have to take backup because in case of your system is down, okay, or maybe in general in some organization, they use a backup tool called Net Backup. So directly it will take a backup from your system. Company will take care of your backup solutions generally. In some companies, they don't do it, but bigger companies, what they do, they'll take a backup of your mails from your system and store in central location. Okay. It's a single client type. Only one client application can able to access. Okay. IMAP, it's like a copy paste. It means mails are stored in the mail server always and can be downloaded or accessed from any type of mail application. Okay, understand guys the difference between POP3 and IMAP?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So IMAP is a copy paste. Keep a copy in both server and local PCs. Mail not completely download to local PC. Sorry, leave like that. That is, it's a multi-client application support. Multi-client application support. POP3 is a cut paste. Once mail is downloaded to your local PC, the mail will be removed from the server. Single client application support. That same story I've written so many days back. So forget it. If local PC is down, if you are using POP3, mails are in the local PC only. And once it is down, so our hard disk is failed, your mail data is also gone. It is always better to take backup and store them in another device like a hard disk. I'll show the backup also, so we can see the backup. This is a new interface. I'm getting confused with the new interface always. So we'll try settings. Automatic replies, signatures, mobile device, storage. The new version is giving me always little headache. There is rules. People, no problem. I'll go to water look. Okay. This is middle one. Very older one is very good. Okay. This is the file, and then exports. Open export and import. Import and export. Okay. Export to a file. So I will do it again. Go to the file. Open and export. Import and export, or import or export. Export to a file. Export to a file. Then next, select Outlook data file. Select Outlook data file. And next, or subfolders, including subfolders. Next, and it will give you a location. Change the location according to where you want to store it, and give the proper name. So if you observe, there is a .pst, means it's Outlook data file. Personal storage table. A PST means personal storage table. It represents it is a Outlook data file. And give the proper name. Like a date is, it has to come the date. Like for a backup, date is always like this. First is year. Guys, any backup, remember first is year. Then the month. Then the date. If you want to add a date, date and timestamp also you want to add it. That is hours. Like it is 3 hours. No. It's a 24 hours format. 3 o'clock means it is 17, 15, sorry, 15, 48, 0, So like this, you have to give this. So then it will easily sort the different things. Or otherwise you can give same name like a backup or my mail ID backup kind of stuff you can give. You can select any of these options, depends upon your requirement. Do not export duplicate items. So same name existing twice, it means don't do it. Allow duplicate items to be created. It means the older one is there, newer backup is there. Older one is 11 GB, newer one is 13 GB. New means 13 means it is only 2 GB is increased, but you take a backup of 11 GB plus 13 GB, then it is become 24 GB. Space will be unnecessarily wasted, but still it has its own benefits. Replace duplicate with the exported means already 11 GB is there, then you replace with a new one 14. So it is in the storage it's 14 only. Okay, it is like that. You have to choose the location. I'm not doing anything, just I'm going back. Okay. This is the way you can able to backup it. So simply go to file of Outlook and there you can find open and export and then select a single file and select the location and select a PST data file. Okay, next this will be finished. Not again, don't save it again in the C drive. Better to save in different drives or different external storages in the cloud or maybe external hard disk you can store. And be secure your backup file because anybody can take your backup file and connect and see the mail data. Sometimes it is more sensitive than our regular mails. Okay. So what people do, they will lock the backup file with the password. Outlook data file. What is this Outlook data file? Guys, as I said, you receive a mail or send a mail, the mails will be stored inside your local PC only. Where it will store, in which file the mails are stored, either it is .pst or .ost file. I will show you that one also. So you get it. Go to the settings, data file, open file location. See that is this is .ost. See the name and .ost. It is a Outlook data file. What is meant by Outlook data file? It is our mails. All these mails are stored in that file only. All these mails stored in the file only. So what is meant by .ost? What is meant by .ost? It's a mails. If your mail server is Microsoft Exchange or Office 365 or Microsoft 365 Exchange, then your mails in the Outlook, the mails file name extension is .ost. The mail name file extension is .ost. Next one is .pst. Personal storage table. It is also same concept. The mail stores in the file. Either it is can be .pst or .ost. Your mail server is Microsoft Exchange or a Office 365 Exchange. Then it is .ost. In Outlook file is .ost. Outlook data file is .ost. Other than that one, it can, if in case your mail server is Zimbra, a SquirrelMail, a Dovecot, the mail stored file name is the mail stored file name is where the mails are stored. That file name is .pst. Okay, the mails will be stored in a file. The file name can be .ost extension or a .pst extension. Personal storage table or offline storage table. Your mail server is Microsoft, then it is .ost. Your mail server is not Exchange. Sorry. Okay, it is .bst. So here I have written the location of Outlook file also, from where I have written. Okay. Yeah, here it is. This is the location of your Outlook data file. Generally, under C, users folder, whatever user you log in, you can go to app data and local Microsoft Outlook. Guys, understand what is OST and what is PST?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good. So there is a few more points related to the Outlook. So when you're sending a mail, you mention two address, CC address and BCC address. When I try to compose the mail, okay, when I try to compose a new mail, so there is a two address, CC address and BCC address. What is meant by CC? What is my BCC? Even your Gmail also having, when you are composed, two address is there, CC is there, BCC is there. Yes, two address means, for example, I want to send a mail to you guys, like anyone, I want to send a mail. So I am telling that is some material you can able to access or maybe attend the classes here like that. Two means you are the actual recipient and the point is towards your mail. Okay. Yeah, so it's a race two address. CC means I can CC, for example, one of the monitoring class monitoring. So already I sent like tomorrow is morning 9 o'clock class. Then that is true address to you. And CC2, see it is also informed to the main person. Okay. Also, it's not a original recipient, but it is like a key type. What we can say. Two address is actual and CC is just notification. Like I'm sending request to the HR, CC to my team leader. I'm sending a request to the HR. I'm sending request to the HR. Okay. So sorry, NCC to my manager. Like that. It is. Okay. So what is BCC? Blind carbon copy. CC means carbon copy. BCC means blind carbon copy. Okay, what is blind carbon copy? For example, I send a mail with a BCC and I send 50 mails to 50 members and all the BCC numbers does not know who got the same mail. Right, okay, so that is BCC, blind carbon copy. For example, I want to send a mail to all you, then I will send all mail in a BCC manner. So what happened? You will receive, okay, but you don't know whether you only got it or maybe others also will get it, same mail. Okay, so that is called a BCC. Already I told backup and restore, mail rules and signatures. So it is already older, so they can have to little bit go. Okay. What is this mail rules and signatures? We'll see. If you see, my mails is ordered in the something you can see there is a folders. All are inbox mails only. But when I receive a new mail, I don't want to display on my screen. There is some important mails, some are just the normal mails only. Not much very important mails. So I will keep those mails, not to give any important, or maybe important, but I want to segregate from different sources of mails. Like HR mails are separate folder, team leader file mails are like related, client mails are in one place. I want to organize. So then it will come like this. Okay. You can organize. I'm just searching for a rules. Run rules now. Clean up folder. So where is this rules? Can change or what? Here it is there. Not this one. Okay. I will compose a new mail, then maybe I can able to get it. Okay. Rules I'm checking. I didn't find the rules button here. It is there in here only, but I can't able to find. Move. Yeah, this is also rules. Yeah, here it is. Create rule. Okay. So you can create a rule. It's like if you receive a mail from specific person or a specific type of title is there, like a subject is there. Based on that one also, you can keep those mails into a separate um, boxes. Okay, not only that, you want to get a notification if you are getting a mails from a specific person. Okay, so this is like a rules. Okay, calendar, schedule task, to-do list. Okay, so you can schedule a task or you can schedule a meeting or you can see the schedules on the calendar. Bah, I'm getting oversleeping. Okay. You guys understand what is an Outlook? What is the protocols? What is the difference between POP3 and IMAP? Okay, what is PST, OST? Like that. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good. So we will continue. Okay, we'll continue. Like I will tell the Outlook troubleshooting directly. So next we'll see the next topic again. What is this continuation? Like a Outlook troubleshooting. There is a client send a request to the service desk. Okay, so what is a request? Outlook. My Outlook is not working. I can't able to send or receive a new mails. You want to send a new mail or receive a mail? What is the more important one? You need a internet. Without internet, you can't send or receive a mail. You can't send or receive a mail. Okay. So first of all, you have to check the Internet is working or not. Internet is not working, and you have to check it or give a complaint, right? So make sure internet is working on that. Because without internet, you can't send or receive new mails. You can read the old mails, but not a new mail to your Outlook. Okay. So internet is working. Internet is working. Then you have to check Outlook applications, configurations, passwords. Okay. Mail server related information, mail server configuration changes. Maybe mail server side configuration is changed or mail server is removed. Possibility is there. Password is changed or password is changed through the web browser but not applied in the your Outlook. Configuration changes in the client system. You change the configuration of mail communication or server side configuration is changed. You didn't update it. Or maybe Outlook application is not working properly. Okay. So this is the complaint and we are guessing so many solutions. But how to check or how to avoid one by one? Check the configuration. Go to your outgoing mail server SMTP. Means where is your sending and receiving mail like that. Okay. Check the settings in Outlook. So that SMTP settings, POP3 or IMAP settings are correct or not. Okay. And the server names and IP addresses, protocol, port numbers, SSL or TLS selection. Okay. So any change of settings, so please verify and do it. So checking the configuration, checking the password. Maybe you change the password, but not applied those password changes into the Outlook client application. Possibility is there. Okay. Or maybe your password is expired. In organizations, you have a 42 days of by default policies, 40 days of password. Okay. After 42 days, the password will be expired. Or you change the password, you forget the password. Okay. So in that cases, check the password related kind of stuff. How to check the password kind of stuff? Try to unlock it. If it is not working, just keep it aside and open another one and try it. Okay. So again, sorry, I'm a little drowsy. Okay. So log into the web browser. Try to log into your account in the web browser. And if you are successfully login means you know the password. If it is a new password than your old password, and go to the Outlook and change the password and try again. And if it is not able to access, means you are able to access to the web browser, try to send and receive a mail. If you cannot able to access through the web browser, it can be internet related or maybe, as I said now, there is already the password related issues are there. So password is changed, but you didn't apply to your things. Try to send and receive new mails working. My mind. Try. Sorry, guys. Where am I located? Yeah, this much only. But I am. Try open mail in your web account in a web browser. Try send and receive mails. Check your. If you are able to send and receive mails, it's a work your application related issue. From web browser, you can able to send and receive mails. It can be your web Outlook related issues. Okay. And if password is changed or not, also verifies. If you are unable to log in, means password is changed. So you can ask administrator to rechange the password. Okay. So that is another solution you can take it. Okay. Password may be changed in either inside our mail server or your mailbox is full. You log in successfully, but you can't able to send and receive. Maybe your mailbox is full. Check your mailbox. From Outlook, you can able to send it, but web browser you can able to send it means your mailbox is still available. So you can send and receive mail. Okay. If your mailbox is full, delete any older or unnecessary files. Sometimes it is happen like this. From web browser, you can able to send and receive, and password is also correct. Okay. And when you try from Outlook application, you cannot able to send it. So possibility is check your C drive where your Outlook data is stored in the C drive, right? So check your C drive is full, showing red color means contacts. Okay. So it means you have to remove some data from your C drive and make it more free space and then try. Guys, in case of Outlook application is not working, okay, you confirm that is not belongs to password, not belongs to some network related. It is application issue only. Okay, so you can't send and receive application issue only. So try to scan with antivirus your system. If any virus is blocking, that's a common thing. Try to log out and log in from your PC or restart your PC also helpful. Or you can go to the control panel, programs and features, go to the application Office 365 and try to change or repair. Go to repair and in that one online repair. It will take more time, but you try to repair some issues. Okay. Okay. So if it is also not working, still it is you believe it is application related issue, uninstall the application, restart the PC and install the application again. Any application you remove, it is the thing you have to remember. One is uninstall the application, restart the PC, then you can try to install the application. Remove cache data, go to temporary files and all. So remove all the temporary, it may increase. What I told, I didn't remember. So, okay. Okay. So this is about Outlook. Wow. So take a small break, guys. Take almost like a 15 minutes because it's already 4:12. Come back by 4:25. 30 is also okay. Okay. I'll start by 30 because 15 minutes means around 30 is good. Good idea. Okay. Take a break. Be back at 4:30.
Sir, today is your birthday, sir?
Yeah, it's